Good morning, students. Let us start grade 10th, chapter 2, polynomials. Students, our today's topic is to find zeros in case of cubic polynomial whenever one zero is given to us. In order to understand this concept or topic, we will solve one question. So see, what is our question? Obtain all zeros of polynomial f of x which is equals to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 if one of its zero is minus 2. So let us we start. Here we are given polynomial, given f of x. F of x is equals to what? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. This is what? This is our given polynomial. Since minus 2 is 1 0 is minus 2 is 1 0 of what? Given polynomial, that is f of x. As minus 2 is 1 0 of a polynomial, that is f of x, it implies x plus 2 is factor of f of x. How this minus 2 becomes a factor x plus 2? This guys you already learnt in your previous class. Factor of f of x. But we are interested to find the rest zeros, means 2 zeros, because the polynomial is cubic polynomial. 1 0 is given to us, that is 2, and rest 2 zeros we have to find out. In order to find other zeros, we have to divide given polynomial, that is f of x by x plus 2, that is your factor. So guys, let us divide f of x by x plus 2. So here I am solved for you guys. So see how we divide our polynomial, that is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. This division you already know, but see how we divide in case of this. So see, here is x, here is x cube. So we have to multiply by x square. So x is multiplied by x square, we get x cube. Then plus 2. 2 is multiply. 2 on multiply x square, we get 2x square. But by the condition, we have to write x square below x square and x cube below x cube. See, so on case of subtraction, if here is plus, so it is minus, this plus, so minus. These are cancel itself, and here 13 minus 2 guys, we are left with 11x square. Then this comes down and this also comes down. 32x plus 20. So what is our next? So here we want 11x square, but here we have x. So let it be by 11x. So x into 11x, we get 11x square. Then 2 into 11x, we get 11 to the 22x. So on solving, this is minus, this is minus. So these two are cancelled, plus minus. Now 32x minus 22x, we are left with 10x. And this comes down, that is plus 20. So here is what? 10x. Here is x. So if we multiply it by 10, what we get guys? 10x, and 2 into 10 guys, 20. So here is plus, then minus, this is plus minus. They are cancel itself. Remainder is what? 0. Remainder is what? 0. As we know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So by this, what we get, what is our dividend, students? Our dividend is this polynomial that we said f of x. It's your choice. If you write it in this form, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, that is your choice. Otherwise, f of x. Further equal to divisor is, our divisor is x plus 2 into quotient. Our quotient is x square plus 11x plus 10. So keep this as well in bracket, plus remainder is 0. So now students, see it carefully. We are left with here x plus 2 into x square plus 11x plus 10. So see, this one factor we already have, and this is what? This is a polynomial, but it is a quadratic polynomial because its degree is 2. And we all very well know or learn that how we split a quadratic polynomial. See, so we have to make the factors of this sum. Sum in your rough side, sum is what? 11x. What is your product? Product is 10x square. So we have to split 10 in such a way, that we get our sum 11x and product 10x square. So see, x square at the place, guys, plus, if I am go with the 10 into 1, so 10 plus 10x plus 1x, that is what? 11x, and on multiplication 10x into 1x gives me 10x square. So 10 at the place. So see, here we are x plus 2 into, see, out of these two I am taking x common. Here is what? X plus 10 plus 1 I am taking here as well, x plus 10, close and close bracket should be closed. It is equals to x plus 2, students, and then x plus 10 is again common. So here we have x plus 10. So x plus 10 is outside, x is there, plus this is already outside, so we are left with here 1. So this is what? F of x we can write in the form of factors is equal to this, that is x plus 2, x plus 10, x plus 1 are what? Are the factors of given polynomial. But for zeros, we are interested for zeros, but for zeros we have, otherwise we know, otherwise let f of x we have to take equal to 0. So f of x, that is our polynomial, and on factorization what we get? That is x plus 2 into x plus 10 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. This, if we not solve, that is our choice, because already 1 0, that is minus 2 is given to us. But if we solve this, so that is not a big deal or big issue. So let we solve this as well. X plus 2 is equals to 0, then x plus 10 is equals to 0, then x plus 1 is equals to 0. On solving, x is equals to minus 2, here we have x is equals to minus 10, and here is equals to x is equals to minus 1. So our required zeros are what? Required zeros are minus 1, minus 2 already given, and third one is minus 10. So students, this is our required zeros for given polynomial x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, whenever 1 0 minus 2 is given to us. This is given to us, and rest zeros we find by this way. Hope you understand the way to solve this question. So try same questions at your home. We will learn in our next lecture how to find out zeros in case of a biquadratic polynomial. Till then, bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.